Break ID number 5695. 2018 Bowman High-Tech Baseball 2-box break. This one has combo spots based on hit count, which also means there's no PC team bonuses. 4 left in tribute. Go. And there you go. Redemption in there. Victor Robles insert to 99, number 4 overall prospect. 2 left in tribute. 8 left in Panini 1. Brendan McKay. Rays. Jason W.A. Jorge Guzman. Miami. Braylon D.Y. And the redemption, Joe Adele. That's to the Angels. Gary A.R. Gold auto, Jaron Kendall. To 50. Dodgers. Jeffrey R.O. Robles rookie. Wow, there's an orange in here. That's to 25 and another redemption, I think. Yep, and a red to 10. There's the red, and it's autoed. Evan White. Nine of 10 red parallel auto. Seattle. Chris M.E. And check out the redemption. It's Acuna. Very nice. And I would not be surprised if that's available. A lot of his stuff has been, and this has been out for a while. We can redeem that for you if you want. It'll go right back in your account when it gets back to us. Very nice card. Braves, Michael B.L. Christian Pache. That is Braves, Michael B.L. Adbert Alzolay. Cubs. There's a bonus auto in this box. 5 autos, including Acuna, a red, an orange. Cubs. Gary, AR. Bonus auto, Ibandel, Isabel. Ibandel. One of those. Dodgers. Jeffrey, R.O. And the orange 25, Shane Baz. And Royce Lewis, 5th overall prospect. All right, nice couple of